The Gengean Ossian car is an engineering marvel that redefined the automotive industry, blending cutting-edge technology with futuristic design. Introduced as a revolutionary vehicle, it combined performance, sustainability, and artificial intelligence, setting new benchmarks for what a car could achieve. Designed with a sleek, aerodynamic frame, the Ossian car was more than just a mode of transportation. It was an experience, seamlessly integrating with the driver's lifestyle, preferences, and even emotions. Its creation marked a shift in how vehicles were perceived, transitioning from simple machines to highly intelligent, self-sustaining entities capable of evolving with time. At the heart of the Gengean Ossian was its advanced propulsion system. Unlike conventional electric or hydrogen-powered vehicles, this car utilized a quantum energy core that harnessed ambient energy from its surroundings, making refueling and charging obsolete. This breakthrough not only eliminated dependency on fossil fuels and external charging stations but also ensured that the car could run indefinitely, provided it remained within an energy-rich environment. The quantum energy core worked in sync with the vehicle's regenerative systems, capturing kinetic energy from motion and converting it into additional power. This meant that even braking or coasting down a hill contributed to the vehicle's energy reserves, optimizing efficiency to an unparalleled degree. One of the most outstanding features of the Gengean Ossian was its AI-driven autonomy. Unlike traditional self-driving systems, which relied on sensors and pre-programmed responses, the Ossian was equipped with a sentient AI that learned and adapted in real time. It could predict and respond to traffic patterns, road conditions, and driver behavior with remarkable accuracy. The AI wasn't just limited to navigation, it engaged in conversation, offered personalized recommendations for routes, and even analyzed the driver's mood to adjust the car's lighting, music, and environmental settings. This personalized touch made driving the Ossian feel less like operating a machine and more like interacting with a trusted companion. Safety was another defining characteristic of the Gengean Ossian. Equipped with an adaptive nanomaterial body, the car could shift its structural integrity based on impact zones, absorbing shocks in ways that traditional materials could not. In the event of a collision, the Ossian could redistribute force throughout its frame, significantly reducing damage and increasing passenger protection. Additionally, its AI system could anticipate potential accidents by analyzing real-time data from surrounding vehicles and infrastructure, taking proactive measures to prevent crashes. This included automatic lane adjustments, emergency braking, and even engaging in evasive maneuvers before the driver could react. The interior of the Ossian car was an equally impressive feat of design and technology. The cockpit was fully customizable, featuring a holographic dashboard that could be configured based on driver preferences, whether the driver preferred a minimalist interface or a fully immersive digital environment. The Ossian adapted accordingly. Seats were made from bioadaptive materials that conformed to the occupant's body, providing unparalleled comfort and support. These materials also monitored vital signs, ensuring that the driver remained in optimal condition during long journeys. If fatigue or stress levels rose, the car could suggest rest stops, adjust the climate to encourage relaxation, or even initiate autonomous driving mode to take over until the driver was fit to resume control. Connectivity was another aspect where the Gengean Ossian excelled. It was not just a car but an extension of the driver's digital ecosystem. The vehicle seamlessly integrated with smart homes, allowing users to control home appliances, security systems, and entertainment units while on the move. Its AI assistant could schedule appointments, provide real-time traffic and weather updates, and even conduct virtual meetings using its advanced in-car holographic projection system. The Ossian also supported full virtual reality integration, allowing passengers to engage in immersive entertainment experiences during long journeys, whether watching a movie in a simulated cinema environment or attending a virtual event. The car transformed travel time into a productive and enjoyable experience. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Gengean Ossian was its ability to self-repair. The vehicle's nanotechnology-based exterior could detect and heal minor scratches and dents within minutes, ensuring that the car always maintained a pristine appearance. In cases of more severe damage, The I-system could diagnose issues and initiate repairs using self-replicating nanobots, reducing the need for frequent maintenance and visits to service centers. This level of self-sufficiency made the Ossian one of the most durable and cost-effective vehicles ever produced. Security was another area where the Ossian set new standards. Traditional key-based or biometric security systems were replaced with quantum encryption, ensuring that only authorized users could access the vehicle. The car recognized the unique neural patterns of its owner, making theft or hacking virtually impossible. If an unauthorized individual attempted to access the vehicle, the Ossian could activate a defensive mode, locking itself down and notifying authorities while tracking the perpetrator's movements. Additionally, the car's ability to camouflage itself using electrochromatic materials provided an extra layer of protection, making it blend into its surroundings when parked in high-risk areas. Sustainability was a core principle behind the Gengean Ossian's design. Every component of the vehicle was constructed from recyclable and biodegradable materials, ensuring minimal environmental impact. Even at the end of its life cycle, the Ossian could deconstruct itself and return its materials to the ecosystem without leaving behind waste. The vehicle's emissions were non-existent, as it produced only clean energy as a byproduct. Furthermore, the Ossian featured an innovative air purification system that filtered and improved the quality of air as it traveled, actively contributing to a healthier environment. Beyond its technological and environmental innovations, the Ossian was a symbol of a new era in transportation. It redefined the relationships between humans and machines, proving that a vehicle could be more than just a tool for mobility. It could be a companion, a guardian, and an extension of one's personal and professional life. The impact of the Ossian was felt far beyond the automotive industry, influencing advancements in ethics, energy sustainability, and smart city development. Urban planners began integrating Ossian-like systems into public infrastructure, creating self-sustaining transit networks that reduced congestion and pollution. The legacy of the Gengean Ossian extended into the cultural sphere as well. It became an icon of progress, featured in futuristic literature, films, and art. Celebrities, business leaders, and technologists alike embraced the Ossian not only for its capabilities but for what it represented as the seamless fusion of humanity and technology. It was more than a vehicle, it was a vision of the future brought to life, demonstrating that innovation could be both functional and deeply personal. As the years passed, the Gengean Ossian continued to evolve. Its side grew smarter, its materials more advanced, and its integration with human life even more seamless. Unlike traditional cars that became obsolete over time, the Ossian was designed to upgrade itself, ensuring that it remained at the forefront of technological advancements. Its modular system allowed for continuous enhancements, from improved e-learning capabilities to more efficient energy consumption methods. Owners never felt the need to replace their vehicles, as the Ossian adapted to their changing needs and the world's evolving challenges. Ultimately, the Gengean Ossian was more than just a mode of transportation. It was a testament to the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity. It blurred the line between machine and organism, between ownership and partnership. It wasn't just a car, it was an experience, a revolution, and a glimpse into a future where technology served humanity in ways previously unimaginable. The Ossian redefined mobility, not just by getting people from one place to another, but by transforming every journey into an adventure, every drive into a dialogue, and every destination into a new horizon of possibilities.